We know that OPG Plus eliminates oil and fuel spills and is just as aggressive on hydraulic fluid, totally eliminating that mess from a broken hose and getting your business back to work. So, how does it work? OPG Plus actually changes the chemical makeup of nasty contaminants by breaking them down at the molecular level and turning them into CO2 and pure water. It's Mother Nature's own process, just sped up to lightning speed. Here's that hydraulic spill from heavy equipment on a construction site. Usually you would have to shut down the site to get this remediated at a high cost. Not today. OPG Plus cleans up the entire spill in minutes. Gone. An all-natural solution at a fraction of the cost of the other services. It's a win-win. But is it really non-toxic? It really is all natural and doesn't harm any of nature's creatures. Whether it's an oil, petroleum, or grease spill, OPG Plus offers a quick response team that makes job sites and businesses safe and operational again. A fast, natural, and cost-effective solution for remediation services. Please visit opgplus.com to find out more.